Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of something here. So, let me just kind of go ahead and cut this open. So, let's take a look at what this is, where I got it, and how much it costs. So, we should actually flip it around backwards so that it makes a little more sense. Hopefully. So there you go. Dragon Ball RDTA. RTA. Don't know why I said RDA. I meant RTA. So yeah, there's the Dragon Ball RTA. So it's a refillable tank atomizer. It says it on there. And it's made by FumyTech or FumyTech. I guess that's how you say it. FUM as fun. And then Y Tech. I guess what they're trying to do is trying to like copy Funimation. You know, where pretty much every Funimation thing that you watch was like, Funimation, you should be watching. And they say it like that. I guess that's kind of what they wanted to go with over here. So it's on both sides. Both top and bottom says Dragon Ball RDA. Although it's kind of weird that the bottom one has it facing the right way, but the top one has it facing backwards. So let's go ahead and let's open it up. So it's not reflecting off the camera. It's all this shining, shrink wrap type of stuff. So there we go. Nice little cardboard box. Pretty fit cardboard, I would say. Compared to like, the other cardboard boxes and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how good my camera could zoom in on this. Let's see here. Come on, you stupid thing. Zoom in. Ugh, I hate it when my camera doesn't really want to zoom in with certain things. There you go, finally. So it's saying that it holds 5.5 mLs of juice or milliliters of juice. It's a DIY type of coil thing. The measurements for mats is 51 millimeters, and the base is 24 millimeters for the base. So if you have a mod that can hold 24 millimeter, this should fit fine. So what do you actually get in here? Your whole little tank. Looks like you get a spare little bubble grass type of tank. 4 already pre-built coils. Right there, and yeah, I know I did skip over the 9 ester O-rings. Just showing that you get 1 piece of cotton in there, 1 screwdriver, and 5 screws. Not really any detail on the here. And there's, that little scratch off code to say, hey, is this a real authentic product? Yes. Now how do we get it out of the packaging? I guess just push on it. Nope. As I was pushing, it seems like it actually has right there a little magnetic closer. You can actually see the 2 magnets right there and down there. But if you look at the box how it's made, like this, it looks something like you just push and it slides line out. But really, it's just holds there with some magnets. And then here we kind of see a little bit more, maybe a little bit better. Like here, not that much information, but I guess it doesn't need to be. Drip tip, chain, base. Pretty simple. Push open the top cap. Fill e-juice into juice well from top. Double DIY coil, so it holds 2 coils in there. So it's not a single coil one. Although I guess you could put a single coil, but yeah. And the top cap is a slide cap. Okay, so where did I get this at? A website called Wish. If you don't know what Wish is kind of like what I want to say and call as like sub Amazon. That's what I'm going to kind of refer to Wish as. Because they have things that you want at a very cheap price and it arrives super duper fast. So if Amazon doesn't have exactly what you're looking for, maybe Wish will, depending on like how old the product is. Like this product, it's kind of old. It's been on the market and it's been off the market for about, I want to say maybe 3 years. I want to say something around a 3-year time frame. You really can't find this anywhere else. I mean, if you go to a Brick-and-Mortar, no. Vape store, no. Online, from its online vape stores, no. Hell, I even tried Amazon, no. I don't know if eBay has it, but I don't deal with eBay. So I tried Wish, and yeah, I got it from Wish. How much was it? It cost $30 for the device, plus $8 for shipping. So, $38 right here. Kind of pricey, almost close to $40. Kind of pricey, but then again, when you do have to take time to realize there are some tanks out there that cost kind of around the $18 to $24 price range, and there are some that cost a little bit more, like around $35 to maybe $43. But then you also gotta take the time to factor in, this is a 5-star Dragon Ball tank. So any of you Super Saiyan fans out there, this might be the vape tank for you. So, yeah. Some other things to notice is, it's kind of weird. Why did they go with the 5-star Dragon Ball instead of the 4-star? Because everyone pretty much knows 4 stars is what Goku had. Then he passed on to his first son, Gohan. But after that, I don't think Goten had it. So, yeah. Don't worry, I'll put a link down below in the description for you if you want to go and pick this tank up for yourself on Wish. It's kind of great. So here's kind of what the parts are like. So in here we do have what appears to be an ester drip tip, which is kind of weird. Let's pull that out. Here is the bubble tank, and I don't know how good you can see it, but I'm trying to find something that I could put in there so you can see it a little bit better, the design of this. So there we go. Now you can kind of see the little Dragon Ball. It's a little bit better that it pops. Because without this piece of paper, on camera it doesn't show up that good. But there they are. So this is the bubble. I believe this is the 5.5. And the standard one, which is right here. Actually, looking at it, I don't think it comes in a straight glass. It comes with a spare ester glass, which is kind of weird. Because usually tanks like this, they'll come, with the straight glass, and they come with the bubble glass. But yeah, it's kind of cool. On top here, let's see if I could get the camera to focus. But right there, you got the little arrow that points in what direction to push to open up your cap. But on the top, there's a dragon. Now, it's not the Shinron dragon. It's more as the dragon that you can see on the spots here, just like a generic Chinese dragon. Okay? So they do have to take some liberties here and things so they don't get sued by Funimation for saying, hey, you could pretty ripped off Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Z Kai or Dragon Ball Super or Dragon Ball GT or whatever. You know what I mean? So that's why I think instead of the 4-star Dragon Ball, they switched up to a 5-star. And he just said Dragon Ball, and then instead of Shinron, they put this generic Chinese dragon on there. But yeah, Tank looks actually pretty good and beautiful. So here's the drip tip that it does come with. Kind of looks like this little Deltum drip tip, which is actually a bit tight to pop off. So there you go. You can see that it has little other O-ring grommets on the inside. Not the inside, but the outside there. I don't really have anything to put tank except for on glass. And this one looks like it's, I don't know, it looks bitter. Let me check it out and see. Oh yeah, dudes, definitely check it out. Now the inside diameter of the bore looks about the same, but you can definitely tell this one's way bigger than this one. And just look at how it's made. This one just sits on there, and this one actually has the rubber on there. So this one you could put on there for your big mouse, if you like that. Although this one's not really sitting on there.